In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up flat rate shipping in Wix with regions and handling fees. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable shipping setup that your customers will see automatically at checkout. First, log into your Wix account and open your website dashboard. From the left-hand menu, head into Settings. Inside Settings, look for Shipping and Fulfillment. Depending on your template, it may appear under Store or a similar shipping section. This is the control center where you define where you ship and how much you charge. Next, add the places you'll ship to. In the shipping area, choose Add Region or Add Shipping Region. Then select Add Destination. Here you can pick your country, a specific state or region, or even multiple destinations at once if your pricing is the same across them. When you're finished choosing, confirm by clicking Done or Next. Grouping destinations thoughtfully helps keep your checkout simple and avoids confusing customers with too many options. With your region in place, set up the flat rate option your customers will see. Choose Add Shipping option or Add Rate, then select Flat Rate as the method type. Give it a clear name like Standard Shipping so shoppers understand what they're choosing. Set an estimated delivery time. Something like 5 to 8 business days is a good example. But be honest about what you can deliver. Finally, enter the rate you want to charge for that region. Make sure this covers your typical packing and carrier costs while staying competitive. If you need to cover extra packaging or labor, you can add a handling fee. Toggle the option to add a handling fee to every order, then enter the amount you'd like added on top of the shipping cost. This is optional and can be adjusted later if you find it's too high or too low. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the shipping option and lock in your settings. Before you wrap up, always test. Go to your store and place a test order to make sure the correct shipping cost appears at checkout for your chosen destination. If something looks off, return to Settings, then Shipping and Fulfillment, and tweak your regions, rates, or handling fees. Once everything looks good, keep your site published. From now on, your customers will see the shipping cost automatically at checkout based on the region you set. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.